In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect social accounts in Squarespace 7.0. To begin, log in to your Squarespace 7.0 site and make sure you are in the Site Manager view. This is the main dashboard where you can control your website settings and connected services. If you are already signed in, you can go straight to the menu on the left side of the screen. From the Home menu, click Settings. This section contains many of the tools that control how your site works behind the scenes, including integrations with outside platforms. Once you are inside Settings, look for the option called Third-Party Tools and select it. This is where Squarespace lets you connect services from other platforms, including social media accounts. After that, click Connect Account. This opens the connection options and allows you to choose which social platform you want to link to your Squarespace website. You will see a menu with available services. Select the platform you want to connect, such as Instagram or Facebook. Make sure you choose the correct account type if your social platform offers more than one. Once you select the platform, a secure pop-up window will appear. This is where you will log in to the social account you want to connect. Enter your account details in that pop-up window, then follow the prompts to approve access. Depending on the platform, the button may say Authorize or Allow. This step gives Squarespace permission to connect with your social account and use it where supported on your site. After the authorization is complete, return to Squarespace and click Save. This is an important final step because it confirms the connection and stores the account inside your site settings. If you leave before saving, the connection may not be fully applied. As a quick tip, if the pop-up window does not appear, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups, since that can prevent the login screen from opening. It is also a good idea to confirm that you are signing into the correct social account before authorizing access, especially if you manage more than one profile. Once saved, your social account should now be connected and ready to use within Squarespace 7.0, wherever that integration is supported. That covers everything you need to know.